I'm basically like if Marie Antoinette went to the sanrio store. For today's makeup look, I'm giving you Rococo era baddie that time traveled to the 2000s, became obsessed with jfashion, and is now on the internet serving looks. I gotta admit, the Rococo vibes of this look were definitely an accident, but hey, how mad can I be? Y'all, it's Mars, and I'm super excited to be doing another makeup tutorial for you all. We're gonna be doing some hair, we're gonna be doing some makeup. It's gonna be super cute. So first, of course, I start off by putting in my black circle lenses. I have no idea what brand they are, but just know, go to a contact site, order some black circle lenses. You'll get the same vibe. It'll be super cute. So while I struggle to put in my contacts, I wanted to give a little background for the inspiration of this look. I've always been drawn to jfashion, specifically the gyaru, lolita, and decora substyles. For this look, I was interested in pulling elements from gyaru and decora fashion to create a loosely inspired look that's just something fun, something cute. So on Instagram, I stumbled across this hairstylist called Sujimura Saron Ups. I apologize if I butchered that pronunciation, but she does these amazing voluminous hairstyles which incorporate stuffed animals, clips, and headbands. So I was like, oh my god, she's really inspiring me. So I grabbed my tallest afro I have, which is this blonde afro, which is where the accidental rococo vibes came into play. And I grabbed my little stuffed animals and adorned my afro. So first I used this little My Melody plush and then grabbed this baby Pomperin and put it on top. I was like, okay. And then I went in with different barrettes. So I just got this pack from the beauty supply store and just started putting them in, like a little flower and a butterfly. And then this beautiful ribbon that I was gifted, it's a little twin stars ribbon. I was like, this is perfect to put on my afro as well. And I was like, okay, wait, it's serving. And then, of course, I also got this other gift with these barrettes, and I was like, okay, obviously need to add a rainbow because I'm queer. Like, yes, we're representing being magical. So now let's get into the makeup look. First, to prep my skin, I use the e.l.f. Paragraph Primer. I really like this to, make sure my makeup stays and, sits well on my face. And so to prep to block my brows, I take some isopropyl alcohol and just clean my skin to get rid of any oils. And then with my Elmers glue, I'm going over my eyebrow hairs and then smoothing them up with a spoolie. And I'm going to repeat this on both eyebrows 3 times. So this is the first time, and now the second, and now the third. Now I'm going in to cover my brows with the Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. Still forever my favorite foundation. It's the first one I've tried, but I don't want to change it. And then I'm patting that into my skin so I can create a smooth canvas to draw on my eyebrows. Definitely, obviously, one of my favorite things to do. As you can see, I block my brows in every video. And then I take my foundation again and go ahead and spread that all over my face. To blend my foundation into my skin, I take that same little brush I had before. It's just a flat foundation brush, and brush it in. Now I go in with my NYX Bare With Me concealer and put it on my under eyes, kind of in like an upwards triangle shape to lift my face and brighten under my eyes. I also highlight my chin and my forehead to add some dimension after that foundation. And then I take this concealer brush and go ahead and blend that into my skin. I feel like this part is very satisfying. And so now to bronze, I take my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer and go ahead and put that on my cheekbones. And then bake my face with the Mercier Ultra Blur Loose Powder. I really like it, and it's talc free, so I'm like, okay, yes, saving my lungs. After that sits for a while, I go in with my powder brush and go ahead and just brush it all off to reveal a beautifully snatched and baked face. So for a little extra coverage, I went in with some of my concealer in my skin tone just to go over my brows again to make sure they were fully concealed. Now, to begin mapping my brows, I used the AF94 white gel eyeliner to do a little thin brow moment. I feel like this liner was really nice and fluid for drawing this out. I will say this is definitely one of the more stressful parts of doing your makeup, drawing on the eyebrows, but I feel like it always works out in the end. And this is a pretty forgivable product, so if you mess up, I wouldn't worry too much. You can just cover it up with concealer or foundation and try again. So to define my eyebrows even more, I use this Bymelolops Water Ink in the shade 3000. And it's just like this water activated eyeliner. And I just went over the eyebrows I mapped out with the gel liner with this. And it just makes them really white and pop. To start on the eyeshadow, I first took my LA Girl Pro white concealer as a base to make sure that the colors I use really pop on my eye once I apply them. And to blend out this white concealer, I usually just use a fluffy but dense eyeshadow brush. It really helps blend it into your skin and make it not look super patchy. I feel like concealing with white concealer is especially important when you have darker skin and you're using lighter colors, just to ensure that it really shows up, because I don't want anyone to ever think, oh, this color is too light for me, blah, blah, blah. You can always make it show up. You just sometimes need a good base. So for the color, I'm going in with the Claropsyche Psyche's Box palette in the pink shade. It's hands down one of my favorite eyeshadow colors ever. I just feel like it's so sweet and so cute and complements my skin tone really well. But I'm just going over that on my eyelid. Now, another one of my favorite parts is highlighting the brow bones. So I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette in this pinkish white shade and putting that on my brow bones to add the drama. Something I always do. So for my inner quarters, I took the same gel liner and started to make a little triangle, loosely inspired by the white highlights that gyaru have in a lot of their eye makeup. And then with the Hero Makeup liquid eyeliner, I'm starting to line my entire eye, which is one of the cutest things ever. Especially with a thin felt tipped liner pen, I feel like they're the perfect tool to line your eyes. Because with the regular little liquid liner, it never works for me and I smudge it everywhere. But once I got a pen, I was like, wait. And then I did the other side. This definitely took some time, but it's always worth the end product. I feel like lining your eyes make you feel so sultry and cat-like in the best way. So for my lashes, I'm just using these Manhua Lashes, which I got off of Amazon, and then Duo Lash Glue. Old Faithful, of course, and I feel like they're just super cute and doll-like when you put them on. I swear, lashes were the hardest part of makeup for me. I started doing my makeup in middle school, but I genuinely could not put on lashes until I was in college. I don't know what was keeping me from being able to put on lashes, but it's not even that hard. Like, you just put them on your eye. I don't know why I was struggling, but I'm glad to have gotten over that hump. Okay, but here I am struggling to put them on, so let's hurry it up. Cute. So for my mascara, I'm using the Jones Road Mascara in black. I feel like I really like this mascara because it's kind of like clumpy and thick, so it really gives you a dramatic eye look. And so, yeah, it just brings out your bottom lashes in the best way to really bring together your eye makeup. And here I am fixing my lash again. So for blush, another one of my many favorite parts of makeup, I use the Nars blush in the shade Dominant. I love this blush so much. I just love the pink. If you can tell, my favorite color is pink. Then finally for the lips, I'm first lining with the Jones Road lip liner in black, and then I'm going in with this frosty lip gloss from the the Hello Kitty X Wet n Wild collab. But yes, if you have looked at my other makeup looks, you'll see I love a lip liner. Like, I don't know, it just accentuates your lips in all the right ways, and I also feel like it makes any color of lipstick or lip gloss look good depending on, you know, what you pair it with. So yeah, and I love a frosted lip. Like, light pink frosted lips are also very gyaru, but they also remind me of like the early 2000s makeup trends that are just super cute. Then finally, I like to adorn my face with a few fake beauty marks and then set my face with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, become a little glazed donut, and boom, we're done. Thank you all so much for watching. I really want to keep making YouTube videos. I feel like this is the main platform I want to create on. So if you like my videos, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any specific type of video that you want me to make, please let me know. Bye!